Can y'all believe that this wig already came pre-curled like this?
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
This is a kinky texture, but it has a loose wave to it, and it looks like kinky straight hair that has been curling on curled. Y'all know how long that takes in real life, so the fact that the wig already came like this, yes. So cute. I'm loving it. I would like to thank Oh My God Her Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. Oh My God Her Hair did it again with this cute, kinky, loose wave wig. Usually when a wig has already been pre-styled, as soon as you wash it, the curl or the texture that it was no longer exists. But this particular texture, it will still be like this when you wash the wig. It'll just be a little bit looser. It's not just a one-off style. It will last for you. Also, this wig comes with the Kinky 4C edges, and even though it is completely glueless, it just blends into that hairline, y'all. Especially with the kinky edges, it helps the hairline to blend so effortlessly. Like, look how full and big this hair looks. Like, this is a whole dang vibe right here. If you would like to see how easy I installed this wig today and all the details on it, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. I've got a new wig from one of my favorite hair companies to work with. Oh My God Her Hair. Their wigs are always so bomb. This is one of their glueless lace closure wigs, so it's going to be a super easy install for y'all today. So the wig did come with some freebies. It came with this HD wig cap, an elastic melting band, and this rat tail comb. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. So let's get into the natural texture of this wig, y'all. As you can see, it does have a kinky texture, but it's already styled in these loose waves. So you literally don't even have to curl this wig, and these curls are supposed to last even after you wash the wig. So I am super excited to try that out and see what it looks like once you wash it. The waves are just going to be a little bit looser once you wash it. So it has an 8 by 6 inch HD lace closure. As you can see, it does come with kinky edges on it, which is going to make it look very natural. The lace has already been pre-cut for you in a zigzag motion for a super natural hairline look. And the knots on this wig have been lightly bleached, and they are very tiny knots, so you can barely see them, y'all. And here is the inside of the wig cap. It is one of their 3D dome style wig caps. It is super fitted, so you can wear it completely glueless. As you can see, the HD lace closure is super big. You get a lot of parting space across the hairline as well as back to get a very deep parting if you would like. It has 2 removable Velcro wig combs right here on each side. It also has another removable Velcro wig comb in the back of the wig, and this one is a bit larger than the side combs. I love that it has this silicone gripping around the entire inside of the wig cap, which just allows you to be able to wear this glueless and not have to worry about it slipping on your head. And then it has this adjustable elastic cord in the back so that you can get this nice and snug on your head. It also comes with this C-shaped ear design so that the wig sits comfortably around your ear area. So let's go ahead and install this wig and see what it's looking like. I went ahead and added my foundation underneath the lace. I just used my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in New Caledonia, but you can use whatever foundation or lace tint spray you would like. So let's go ahead and throw this baby on. I haven't tightened the elastic cord in the back yet. I want to just get a feel for how tight it is, and then I'll go ahead and adjust in a second. So it does already come styled in a side parting. I think it's really pretty as is. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cord in the back, and then we're gonna tighten this up so it's nice and snug on the head. And then I'm gonna tuck that cord in the back of the wig. So that wig isn't going anywhere. It is so secure on my head. I'm gonna move the lace on the side up just a little bit. I'm gonna cut off just a little bit of this lace and edges right here in the middle, just because my hairline goes back a little bit right here and I want it to really mesh with my natural hairline as much as possible. So the parting already looks really nice. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Kiss Edge Fixer 24 Max Hold Wax Stick and we're going to go around this parting area just to get that area flat. And then y'all already know I'm going to take a little bit of my Super Hold Spritz hairspray from Fantasia and just spray it around that same area. So let's take our Infinity Pro hot comb and go ahead and get this nice and laid. Do y'all see now how we got it all laid around that parting area? Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the Kerastase Elixir oil. I love this stuff, y'all. I like using this on my natural hair, and I'm also going to run it through this hair as well. Smells amazing. Every time I smell it, I love it. This was so easy to install, y'all. I'm just gonna go in with this wide tooth comb and we're going to make this hair a little bit more big than it already is. Try not to mess up the waves too much. You just want to add a little bit more volume to the hair. You could keep the hair just like this if you like that look, but y'all know how I do. I like to break up the curls, pull them apart a little bit, get some more volume going. Then let's just go ahead and piece apart some of these curls. And I'm going to do the same thing in the back here. And then you can also take your fingers and just run it through the hair. I really do love a wig that you can just wear straight out of the box, y'all. As I've gotten older, I'm all about ease. I do not like to spend a lot of time doing my hair, but of course I want my hair to look nice and put together. So these wigs that are just ready to wear and already styled for you make life so much easier. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. The hairline is already bomb. Completely glueless, and she ain't going nowhere. I forgot to mention that this wig is 20 inches long and it has 180% density. I absolutely love the way that this wig turned out after I went ahead and got those curls a little bit more big. It looks like I 𝐒𝐴𝐈𝐆𝐒 kinky straight hair, but the work was already done for me. I absolutely love this. I think it looks super cute, super natural. I have been into more natural looking lengths and textures as of late. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Oh My God Her Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you like my makeup in this video, you definitely will want to go check out my latest flawless base routine. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the video link right here. Go check that out next.